mo ni siya naka-amazing it's a love, no? Okay. This is siya explain. Like, mysterious siya. Like, it just hits you out of nowhere ba? Like, when you least expect it, na nagtutok, nagtanaw ka niya, nag-istorya siya diya, kalit kay slow mo, kanang kalit kag tutok niya, like, surtihan ako kay gwapa kay siya niya. With anak na personality, so perfect kayo, like.
Kanang, thank you. Thank you, Lord. Anak, sige ako pray ko, Lord, kanang, atagi ko kanang lucky po, Lord. Wait, masuya lagi ko. Atagi po ko, Lord, someone na ako ang i-love back sad ko. More siya na akong gipray nga. Someone na ka ng love na ko, pero mas love dyo ko.
Fast forward thinking, would you rewind and let us in? I'll be ready where the pieces fall tonight, if they fall again.
Tangga. Love, baby. Loves, babe. Just like to thank you for for all the love. Ever since I met you, I just know you're the one.
Delay, kaya ako na siyang high school sweetheart. So, she was sweetheart. Panaligri ka na siya kay sa tanan akong crush, yung mga standard sa laki, siya rin yung si Mang. Yan na ko niya, ikaw yung pinaka-grabe dyan. Over nga, naglagot dyan ko kay mo dito first, gitawag kong maestra kay kasaban ko, wala ako gibuhat.
Kung kanaan sa tubangan, so, nitago ko siya ng kilid. Naapil siya kasama kay kami may tupa na to. So.
Wala ko gibuhat. Pero naapil ko sa iyang kalaki mo rin. Ano dyan ko, what the? Oh my gosh.
Kalan siya kay kunya sa Winter Love, sigong patagad. Lahat dyan yung apikitag naong ba. Ari na to bawiyon sa komedya o kuhan. So, the moment na abot na siya, so naara na ang sleepless nights, ara na magsikog na niya, every time makita ko, kulbaan ko, ba?
Pull me closer now, where you hold it all together, seamless and bound, run into arms we found, where you hold it all together, hold it all together, safe and sound, hold it all together, safe and sound.
Usa jud akong promise niya pag katong dating phase pa mitla nang uyab pa ko na phase is siya jud akong dalon sa altar.
Mo dyan iyang kailangan ko. Hilig mo kina siya magsasaad, bumpers, promise, ana dyan no? Mga high school. Pinaka-ultimate is, ako na dyan ang babae nga ihang ipasa sa akin. And, as kana ako sa na, babae, di ba ikaw inananais? Rare man po, na dyan ko na, uy, ang akong gipangay, akong gipraise. Na dyan ang akong gipraise.
Floating in the wreckage where I'm wanted, with my resting places, you gathered all the wreckage and you made this. Pull me closer now, where you hold it all together, seamless and bound.
Wala mo ko na ngayon dyan, perfect yun nga laki kay din mo dyan perfect, totally. Pero, I've seen him na mature siya after time. He grows on me and mature me together.
I'm so lucky. And you're so lucky as well. I'm so handsome, eh? I'm so cute today.
Daddy, thank you so much for keeping your promise, for the whole 13 years of your patience, sa imong understanding, and your love and care, and for being consistent since day one. I pray that God will always guide you na, that you will not get tired of, and you will stay patient with me all throughout.
I appreciate you. You know, you've been there with me through my toughest times. You've been there with my through my happy times as well.
I cannot promise you to be the best, that I could be the best wife. Kaya wala pa man jud ka kasuway og lain nga wife. So ako gyapon may best.
I promise to stay with you forever. I love you.
May you never steal, lie, or cheat. But if you must steal, then steal my sorrows away. And if you must lie, lie with me all the nights of my life. And if you must cheat, then please cheat death, because I couldn't live a day without you. Daddy, I love you so much with all my heart and with all my life.